Lovely autumn sunlight. These pomegranates are so very red. Look at them, aren't they wonderful? In the sunshine. The afternoon sunshine, they're sort of like red leather, aren't they? Gorgeous. So red. They're little Nena dwarf pomegranates. Beautiful baubles. Like on a Christmas tree, aren't they? So bright, so colourful. That one's red too. It's only a little baby one. Still beautiful. I think they make a dye, a shoe leather dye out of these, the skin actually. The red dye in the skin, once you add a mordant, it goes either blue or green, I forget now. It doesn't make a red dye. Once you wash it out, it makes a blue or green dye. More of them. Very ornamental. These dwarf ones are often used as ornamentals in people's gardens, actually. Little ornamentals. They're so colourful, aren't they? And there's another. I should split one open and have a look at the fruits. Little baby dwarf ones. Nena. N-A-N-A. I think that means dwarf. Special little cultivar. Very dainty. It's growing in a tub. It's growing in a tub. This one is just about ripe actually. Even though they're small, they're still eatable. They're still eatable. Quite sweet. Not as bright red. Not completely ripe, as if it were in the sunshine. Of course, if you're growing these in Britain, you might like to bring the pot indoors and use those special grow lights. That's very nice. That's very nice. They don't have to be 100% red, do they? They don't. Very nice, actually. I don't want to swallow the seeds, just the juice. Children love these. Beautiful juice. Supposed to be rich in antioxidants, isn't it? Lovely autumn sunlight. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be here. So sweet. On this lovely autumn afternoon.